Hello, I'm Derek Halliwell from Property Brokers Real Estate.
And I'm Liv Sullivan.
And today we're at 155 Lakewood Drive in Nukuhau. What have we got here, Liv?
You're going to love this one, Derek. We have a 3-bedroom modern home with 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas and double garage.
Great, let's go and have a look. This spacious home enjoys great sun and you'll always be warm with a heat pump, a grunty wood burner and a heat transfer kit.
The outdoor living is private, sunny and sheltered, perfect for relaxing in the sun or enjoying barbecues with friends.
The master bedroom has a walk-through wardrobe and ensuite, and there is heaps of storage throughout.
Don't forget the secret study nook, Derek, as well as the pull-down ceiling storage in the garage. The location here is awesome. You're at the quiet end of a no-exit street with grassy reserve and farmland just metres away.
We know you're going to love living here. Our vendor is moving to Australia and is serious about selling. So either get in touch with us for a private appointment to view or come through one of the advertised open homes.
We look forward to seeing you soon.